Hi, welcome to this unboxing video where I'll be unboxing this package from MyGlamm. This is my first time ordering from MyGlamm, and as you can see, this unboxing video will be a bit different. So first is this lip balm, 2 liquid lipsticks, a set of pastel nail polish, and this packaging paper, which I'll definitely use for art purposes. The first product that I'm going to try are the lipsticks. Once I opened the box, it said Color Me Cray, which is great because I love coloring. This is what it looks like. And it also looks like I need to learn how to apply liquid lipstick. The next one said Color Me Wild, which is another hobby that I like. This one had an opaque bottle. The opaque bottle indicates that it is velvet matte lipstick. I also made swatches for both the lipsticks. I also wanted to see how easily these are removable with soap and water, and the velvet one is definitely easily removable, which becomes convenient if I want to wear a different shade, whereas the non-velvet one stayed even after wash. Next, I'll be trying this MyGlamm ColourPop Lip Balm. It has a rosy scent. I usually apply this before applying lipstick. And upon applying, I noticed that it does have some rosy tint to it. Next up are these Dreamin' Mini Nail Kit, where each of these colors have unique names. The color is very light when applying, but that's okay because multiple layers can be applied. As you can see, I did some nail art with these, and I also made swatches for these. There were different shades on the website to choose from, starting with glittery to vibrant colors, but I decided to choose pastels because I wanted to try something new after years of wearing vibrant colors. Now, there are many things that I love about these products, and the 3 reasons are that these products aren't tested on animals, these products are paraben-free, and enhanced with natural ingredients. In terms of longevity, the nail polish stayed for 2 to 3 weeks. The lipstick stays for about 4 to 6 hours, so I carry these in my bag with me to reapply whenever needed. Overall, I think these makeup products are great. I love that I can wear these guilt-free, and it has also given me an opportunity to create this art journal spread. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and have fun!